wanted to give you a little glimpse on this super easy side hustle where you can make anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $16,500. So if you've been looking for an opportunity online or a ways to work at home while making some really, really good money, I recommend you watch this video through and through so that way I can get you the information that I've found that's been able to make me over $50,000 in less than 3 months. So without any further hesitation, let's go, let's check this out. All right, you guys, so I just refreshed my page. I'm showing you my results. That's almost $51,000. And as you can see, I just started this as well. This is a very easy, beginner-friendly opportunity where I've made over $50,000 in just a very short time. So if you've been looking for an opportunity to work online with some very high-paying commissions as well, make sure that you get in touch with me or click the link below so that way you can get all the information that you're looking for to see if this is an opportunity that you've been waiting for. So if you've been looking for the right opportunity to work online, make amazing commissions, make sure that you smash that like button, get on that subscribe bell so that way you can see more videos when we put out, so that way when we're getting results and finding systems that absolutely crush it, you can get notified and be the first one to watch that video to see if it's right for you.